Now that we've taken a closer look at the Canva dashboard, let's get familiar with Canva's design tools. I've split this into two parts so we can take a closer look at some of the possibilities Canva has to offer you in 2020. In this lecture, part 1, we'll take a look at Canva's templates, how to upload your own images and videos, accessing and using Canva's stock photo library, elements and text in your designs. We'll begin by searching for Instagram post templates in the design search bar. Canva gives us the option to start from a blank project and shows us hundreds of template options that are all within the exact dimensions required for an Instagram post. For the purposes of this lecture, I'm going to go ahead and select one of the templates closer to the top of the options. As a rule of thumb, I generally recommend scrolling pretty far down on the list before choosing a template to work with. This is because the template options closer to the top of the page are usually ones most people tend to use. So once you found a template you like, click on it once and Canva automatically loads the template into a design project window. Once we've loaded the template into the project window, Canva leaves the template tab open on the left-hand side panel in case we'd like to try out any different template options. To go back to our original template, just click on the Undo option on the top blue panel strip or press Ctrl-Z on your keyboard and Command-Z on a Mac. To hide the extended panel, just click on the little arrow pointing inwards. Each template is made up of several items Canva refers to as elements. The image, icon and text are all separate elements this design is made up of. If we click on the text to begin editing, we can see that the header text, subtext, and the icon elements have all been grouped together to act as one element. So if we attempt to move or edit any of these items, all of the elements within this group are affected. To ungroup these elements, just click on the Ungroup button on the top white control panel. We can now edit each element individually. Cool, so now let's take a closer look at each of the tabs within our Canva design panel. So the first option on our design panel is templates, where we can change our existing template to another design within the dimensions of our existing project, in this case, Instagram post dimensions. We also have the option to add a new page in our project and to upload a page from a different template into our Canva project. This feature is great when we're working on designs like promotional visual campaigns, double-sided flyers, or when we just want a few variations of one design. Canva allows up to 30 pages per project. Next up on our design panel is Uploads, where we can upload our own images and videos into Canva to be used in our designs. Just click Upload an image or video, select your upload from your computer and upload it into Canva. Image uploads will then be saved in the Image section of the Uploads tab, while videos will be saved in the Video section. Your uploads are accessible from the Uploads tab on the Design panel across all of your projects and can also be accessed in the Uploads folder from your Canva homepage dashboard too. The next option on our design panel is Photos, and this is where we can browse and select from over 2 million images in the Canva database while we're in a design project. In the search bar, we can search keywords of images we'd like to find, and under the search bar, we have categories suggested by Canva that we can scroll through, where types of images have been grouped together for ease of access. Just below this, we have our recently used images, and finally, we can see images that are currently trending on Canva. So making an Instagram post for my music brand, I want my post to signify music, so I'm typing in studio into the photo search bar and I'm instantly presented with some great options. I like this image, so if I hold and drag it into the existing photo, that image is replaced with this studio image. Okay? The next option on our design panel is Elements, and this is where we have access to grids, shapes, frames, stickers and more. To use an element in your designs, just click on the element and Canva will automatically load it into your current project page. I'm going to leave the Elements tab for you to discover and to get a feel of, and we'll also be using it in depth throughout this course. The last part of Canva's design panel we'll take a look at in part 1 is the Text tab, and this is where we can access text boxes for headings, subheadings and body text. To use text in your design, just click on the text box and Canva will automatically load it into your current project page. Canva also gives us the option to use some of their pre-made font combinations, and these are a really cool feature that I really recommend exploring further, especially if you're yet to decide on the brand font for your visual designs. These font combinations are likely to have been paired together by Canva designers who specialise in this kind of branding, and this can go a long way in making our designs look professional and consistent when we're just starting out. To ungroup a font combination, as with all grouped elements, just click Ungroup on the top white panel strip. So that's it for part 1 of getting familiar with Canva's upgraded design tools. In the second part of this lecture, I'll show you how you can use the Canva design panel to access your folders, app integrations, and how you can add music, videos, and backgrounds to your designs.